off, gets me off. Like my lawyers when the fucking judge lets me off. All you motherfuckers gotta do is set me off. I'm violating all the motherfucking best PR. I'ma lick views, anything I do, bitch, it's news. Pistol whipping motherfucking bouncer 6'2". Who needs bullets? As soon as I pull it, you sweat bullets. An excellent method to get rid of the next bully. It's actually better, cause instead of you murdering, you can hurt him and come back. Again, and kick dirt in him, Mr. Pouring salt in the wounds. Soul gets sued. You can smell the loss as soon as I walk in the room. Everybody halts and stops, calls the cops. All you see is bitches coming out their halls and tops, running and yucking out the Hot Rocks parking lot. You'll all get shot, whether it's your fault or not.
These promises broken, deep below. Each word gets lost in the echo. So one last lie I can see through. This time I finally let you go.
I see this nose and these kids know that I'm talking to them. Give it back to these damn critics and sock it to them. I'm like a thug with a little bit of block influence. I spew it, look how I got you bitches rocking to it. You motherfuckers can never do it like I can do it. Don't even try, you look stupid, do not pursue it. Don't ever in your life try to knock the truest. I spit the illest shit ever, can drop into it. Ticking tock, listen to the sound, 6 on the clock. Listen to the sound, push your legs on the cop. Listen to the sound of me spilling my heart in his pen. Motherfuckers know that I'll never be marshaled again. Full of controversy until I retire my jersey. Till the fire inside dies and expires at 30. And Lord have mercy on any more of these rappers that burst me and put a curse on authorities in the face of adversity.
These promises broken, deep below. Each word gets lost in the echo. So one last lie I can see through. This time I finally let you go.
This is a beat with no words at first, the blank pain. Exercising the mind is brain strength training. Starts off something like Shady in the same mania. Act gas, no shady, that's a zany name, ain't it? Now you need an image to go with the name, baby. White beaters and white t-shirts. Ames Bailey, it's a long shot, but is it possible there's a lane, maybe? If not, he's gonna have to come and change the whole game, ain't he? He wants fame so bad you can taste it. You can see his name up in lights, women screaming his fucking name, ain't he? Shady did. He sold up the whole tank, stadium, Joe Schmo, made it. He took his plain Jane lady and his baby Haley out the trailer, but he ain't trailing anymore. He's ahead of the race while maintaining his innocence. Little does he know his train is derailing and he's about to be raped by this gay man. The syllables spit like Dillinger spilling your guts. People are filling your mic skills, but these haters are ice drilling you. Willing to sacrifice anything for the life that they might steal from you. Big friends will kill for you, die for you, but you can't decipher why for the life for you. It wasn't like this when you were ciphering. Argue with your wife again. She found Vicodin in your pants last night again. Your disputes public, nothing is private anymore. Oh, and your best